Hi, my name is Reza. I'm executive sous chef of Soneva Kiri. Today we're gonna make sate lilit, Indonesian influenced sate. So the paste is lemongrass, garlic, shallot, a little bit of galangal, and turmeric powder. Grind together and you cook for about 3-4 minutes in a very hot oil. This is fish and calamari mixed with this paste, and then it's gonna be the salsa and the sauce. Okay, put in your palm, press in the middle, and then start press from both sides with all your finger while you're swirling the tender stick. So now stick in your hand. Press a little bit more, like that. Now we're gonna grill it. Before you grill it, I'm gonna put some oil on the grill. I like coconut oil. I just like the flavor when it's combined with the satay. Gonna go like 2-3 minutes, both sides. It's gonna be ready. Now we're gonna make the spicy salsa. It's very simple. We're gonna put everything here. And of course the chili. Well, I just reheat the oil a little bit here, so you can see the drizzle, and let's start to mix it. Squeeze the lime. And that's it. Ready for the satay. Okay, it's finished.